we spoke about how people are either fat burners or sugar burners. It opened up a whole new Pandora's box. We received lots of comments, DMs and emails. Thank you for those, by the way. It means you are listening. This video is to quickly clarify a couple of questions that we are being asked over and over again. Question number 1 is, do we stop eating carbs completely? Of course not. What you need to do is avoid refined sugar and refined carbs. Good carbs from vegetables, fruits and whole grains, like we mentioned earlier, are good for you. Women especially need to ensure that they tuck in good carbs, especially in the week before their periods. Why do we need to do that? Because we need to ensure that we are supporting the progesterone hormone. We have done a separate post on that, so just go take a look at that one. Question number 2 that we are being asked: do we always remain on a fat burn mode? So let me ask you this question: is it even possible or sensible, especially for women? You need to learn, to be metabolically flexible so that you can eat carbs when your body needs it and keep your hormones balanced. What therefore you need to learn is how to switch your body from sugar burning to fat burning mode very quickly. Now, how can you do that? 4 things that you can do. Number 1 thing, obsess about your mitochondria. So what is the mitochondria? Mitochondria is that part of the cell that secretes energy. It is also that part of the cell that detoxifies the rest of your cell. So great, we have mitochondria all over our body and they are doing a great job. But hang on, your mitochondria has 3 specific requirements from you. Number 1, they don't want bad fat. They don't want you to have refined oils, that you might be cooking in every day. Why? Because these oils congest the mitochondria. Point number 2, the mitochondria also wants your sugar load to be down. It does not want refined sugar or refined carbs. So no refined atta like Ashirvad atta and all of the other things that you might be using. Why? Because these have no nutrition and they just congest your cells. Point number 3, very important, they don't want toxins. So no packaged foods. Eat fresh foods, eat organic food wherever possible. Perhaps a little, bit more expensive, but it will save you a lot of medical bills eventually. So again, obsess about your mitochondria. Remove bad fat, remove refined carbs and sugars, and remove toxins. Point number 2, start creating ketones. What are ketones? They are a sign that your liver has moved to fat burning from sugar burning. So measure those ketones. Get your favorite device, that you can to measure it. It is important that you measure it though. I cannot emphasize this enough. If nothing else, just get those, urine sticks to measure it. We are going to be talking about how women can do keto safely all of next month. But if you want to get started earlier, just send us a DM and we will sign you up on our personal health coaching programs. Anyway, so when you secrete ketones, those ketones go into the mitochondria and start healing it from inside. So lower the carbs, get the bad fat out, get into keto and heal the mitochondria. Now stay in this state of ketosis as long as you can. The longer you stay in there, the more healing for your mitochondria and your body. Point number 3, detox. We are going to be talking about self-detoxing or autophagy. What is autophagy? It literally means eating oneself. So when you are in the autophagy mode, your body eats its own bad toxic cells and naturally detoxes itself. So how do you get into the autophagy mode? By fasting for 17 hours. The sweet spot for autophagy is 17 hours. So push yourself to fast for longer than 17 hours and help yourself naturally detox. During these 17 hours, you can drink water and nothing else. Now, when you follow the low carb, good fat, keto diet, and then follow it up with fasting for 17 hours, you've really got your body healing. You're also, as a bonus, burning fat and losing weight. If you want to dive further, support your gut microbiome. This will help you speed up your metabolism and also bring your insulin levels down. I promise that we will bring you more information on how to do this very soon, but just start with the 3 things that I mentioned first and you will be able to lose weight in a healthy way. If you have any questions, feel free to leave us a comment and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Stay happy, stay healthy. Thank you.